MA साइकोलॉजी फर्स्ट ईयर जो विद्यार्थी इग्नू से कर रहे हैं उनके लिए MPC 005 पेपर नंबर 5 जिसका टाइटल है रिसर्च मेथड्स। इसमें दोस्तों हम बात करते हैं ब्लॉक नंबर 1 की। ब्लॉक नंबर 1 हमारा है इंट्रोडक्शन टू रिसर्च मेथड्स इन साइकोलॉजी, और इस ब्लॉक में टोटल 4 यूनिट्स हैं। यूनिट 1 बेसिक प्रोसेस एंड कॉन्सेप्ट इन रिसर्च। आज हम दोस्तों बात करेंगे बेसिक प्रोसेस और कॉन्सेप्ट इन रिसर्च के बारे में। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रिसर्च, व्हाट इज रिसर्च। सो when we think about research, the word research is composed of two syllables, which is the re and search. Re means again, anew, or over again, and search means to find, to explore something, or to examine closely and carefully, to test, to try, to prove. Or research is to search. What is the research? Research is to search for facts, answer to research questions, and solution for the problems. Mean in research we find out the solution for the problems through searching facts. Or we can say that research is careful, systematic, and scientific study or investigation in some field of knowledge undertaken to establish facts or principles. In research, we try to establish facts and develop new principles. To develop in the field of a particular subject knowledge or in a particular field of knowledge. Or research refer to search for knowledge. What is research? Research refer to search for knowledge. Or research means to invent new knowledge never known before. Means in research we invent new knowledge which is not known by before. Or research is a method of knowing to unknown. In research we find unknown things. We know something, try to find on the basis of knowing some unknown concepts. Or in research, it is a systematic investigation to find the answer to a problem. In research, a problem, or we try to find out the answer of that problem through a scientific and systematic way. That is the research. Or research is a scientific and systematic approach for relevant information on a specific topic. In research, we have a topic, we try to find out scientific and systematic approach, using scientific and systematic approach for gathering relevant information or gathering relevant data to solve a problem. Or research is a scientific and systematic approach for relevant information on a specific topic. Or we can say that research is an art of scientific information. Or research is that which include any formal gathering of data, information, and facts for advancement for knowledge. In research, we advanced or we develop knowledge by collecting or gathering of data, information, and facts for advancement of knowledge. So we can say that research is a process in which we try to find out the solution of a problem using the scientific and systematic methods. Or definition according to different scholars. According to Byrne, research as a systematic investigation to find solution to a problem. In research, we try to find out the solution of a problem through a systematic investigation. According to Byrne, very easy definition, research as a systematic investigation to find answer to a problem. Or according to Clark, research is a careful, systematic and objective investigation conducted to obtain valid facts, draw conclusions and establish principles regarding an indefinable problem in some field of knowledge. Means in the field of knowledge, research is a careful, systematic and objective investigation conduct to obtain valid facts. Means collection of valid facts. On the basis of facts, we draw conclusion, and that after that establish principles regarding a problem or in the some field of knowledge. According to Molly, research is the process of arriving at dependable solution to the problem. Means research के arriving करता है dependable solution to the problem through the planned and systematic collection, analysis and interpretation of data. In research, we collect, analyze and interpretation of data to find the solution of a problem. Or in research is a process. Research is a scientific and systematic process. Or according to Molly, research is the process of arriving at dependable solution to the problem through the planned and systematic collection, analysis and interpretation of data. Or next definition, according to Patron, research is the process at looking for a specific answer to a specific question in an organized, objective and reliable way. What is the research? Research is the process for looking for a specific answer to a specific question in an organized, objective and reliable way. Or research include any gathering of data, information and facts for advancement of knowledge. These are the definition of research you can do. And after that, on the basis of these